Back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Monday morning, so good morning to y'all. You're probably not even watching this in the morning, but good morning anyways. I'm actually about to go to the gym in about like 5 minutes or so. I woke up super like, I mean, I planned to come to the gym this morning anyways. I wanted to do a yoga session at 9:45 at my gym. I've never done a yoga session. I don't think ever, actually. Like, I've done it on my own with like my own videos and stuff that I've watched on like P90X and stuff, but I haven't actually been to a gym and done a yoga session with other people, so this should be interesting. I'm trying to increase the amount of cardio and like just activity that I do throughout the week because I've been doing like 3 sessions a week with my personal trainer. But yeah, I just kind of want to increase that. So I'm doing yoga today, and then I might do like another cardio session sometime this week. That is what's going on today. I'm filming a what I eat in a day today, and I'm really excited for it. There's like 3 really amazing recipes I think you guys are really gonna enjoy. So it's coming out next week. By the time you guys see this, it's coming out on April 20th, I believe. That's a Friday, or actually maybe April 21st, which is a Saturday. I think you guys will really enjoy the recipes, and I'm just gonna be showcasing things that really helped my weight loss, and things to curb your appetite, and things to trick your mind into thinking you're like eating really tasty. Well, it is tasty, but really like junky food, but it's really good for you. We've been making really good progress this month with, you know, the whole weight loss journey, healthy eating journey, and I'm really excited. So I want to do an updated video once I hit my goal of 25 pounds. Well, not my ultimate goal, but my goal for like filming the video. I don't know if I should do it at 20 or 25 pounds. I'm thinking probably 20 though, so I could do another updated one when I reach like 40 pounds hopefully. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna put this camera away, head to my workout, and then we'll come back later. And I'm not really doing much today other than just doing work, filming the video and stuff, so that's my plans. Alright guys, I just finished my yoga session. My first ever yoga session, and I actually really enjoyed it. Like, it wasn't as hard. I think I was honestly just scarred from the P90X Yoga X workout, because that is like some next level shiz. Like, that is like almost 2 hours of just pain. This was about 50 minutes, so like 55 minutes, just under an hour. And it wasn't too difficult. Like, I mean, there were different variations and stuff that I chose not to do, just because I haven't done yoga in a hot minute. But in general, like, I thought it was actually, whoa, this is shaky. In general, I thought it was actually pretty good. Like, I really enjoyed it. My body was really like tense from, you know, my workouts last week. So it was nice to just kind of like give my body the relaxation it needed, the stretches it needed. So honestly, I think I'm gonna make this a Monday morning thing from now on. Just come to my gym and do yoga, and then I'll do another cardio session another time during the week. I'm filming a what I eat in a day, as I told you guys, but I want to buy like a cute little not fruit bowl, but a smoothie bowl for my smoothie bowls. Yeah, I want to get one because I don't really have any cute bowls that would be sufficient for what I need. So HomeSense it is. Guys, who knew that trying to find a damn smoothie bowl would be so difficult? Literally, I was in HomeSense for, God, like almost 35 minutes trying to look for a damn bowl. I think I found one. Hopefully it's gonna do. Hopefully it's gonna be big enough to like fill me up for breakfast. But I'm hoping for the best, and I will let you guys know. So I forgot to update you, but the bowl was a success. I just filmed the breakfast portion of my what I eat in a day, even though it's like 2:45 p.m. right now. I eat really late in the day, that's just what happens. So breakfast is lunch for many people, breakfast for me, if that makes sense. But this was the bowl that I got. I guess it looks quite big now. I don't know why in the store it looks so much smaller, but it was literally perfect, like literally the perfect amount. I filled it up to about here and I ate the entire thing clean. So this is gonna be my new smoothie bowl. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and unfortunately I have some sad news. Basically all the footage that I took yesterday for my what I eat in a day, I have to redo because half of it was like out of focus, and I'm so annoyed. I like put in the footage into my computer, and it just like was not cute. Like, I mean, some of the shots are salvageable, but honestly I'd rather just film it all again because it's a what I eat in a day. It just makes sense to do it all in one day. So, and the reason why I'm so fussy about it is because it is like a video in partnership with a brand, like it's a sponsored video. And when I, you know, actually have budget to make videos, I want to make them like as perfect as possible, because why am I getting paid to make that video when I could just do it on another day? Like, it's because, you know, they want a good production, and like I want to make sure that any branded videos that I do, you guys are still getting amazing quality content. So because of that, I'm gonna redo it. And today's Tuesday, so Sada actually comes and helps me. I kind of like hired her as my assistant for 2 days of the week. It's weird. I never call her my, like, I don't know. I find it weird to call her my assistant because she's my cousin, basically my sister. But she comes and helps me 2 days a week. So usually Tuesdays and Thursdays when I'm like super busy, which is this week. So it's actually perfect because I still have a couple days to hand in all the content. So she is gonna help me film that, and we're gonna make it look sick. She helped me with my Walmart video, if you guys weren't aware, which was very successful. And yeah, she did a really great job, so I'm excited to work with her again today. I'm just picking her up right now, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot, or sorry, we're gonna go to Rona, because I wanna get some like piece of fabric to, or not fabric, but like, I don't know, like a wood board or something to act as like a flat lay for the video. So I don't know what we're gonna find, but hopefully we can find something nice. And then, yeah, I pretty much spent all morning like doing mise en place. If you're not familiar with that, basically it's just like preparation, so that when I do, you know, go in to make all the recipes, everything is laid out nicely and I don't have to like spend more time than I have to. So I did all of that. I made sure my camera battery is charged. I got my memory card in there. And yeah, everything's ready to go. So inshallah it all goes well today. And it's actually sunny. I thought it was gonna be kind of gloomy today, which I was upset about. I thought we were gonna have to use artificial lighting, which, I mean, we may still use artificial lighting, but we still have like, you know, some natural daylight to work with as well. So guys, we're in Rona right now with this big ass piece of wood. Sada, you can barely see Sada over it. Yeah, we found this like perfect panel, but they wouldn't let us cut it. So I have to buy this for 50 bucks. Not that I even need this entire thing. And then hopefully it works. So yeah, this is gonna be the backdrop. It looks really cool though. Like, I'm really happy with it. It's just not happy with the price. Okay, so I have Sada here with me now. I forgot to vlog her in the car. But guys, it is snowing outside. I'm so sad. Ugh. Anyways, we're about to film. I was just on literally like an hour call. I thought it was gonna be 30 minutes and she was just like chilling here. But she made the lighting look sick. But watch this, guys. This is what the behind the scenes of filming this video is. So we got the block of wood thing here, so we have everything nicely set up. So we have this, and then we needed like lighting from somewhere over here. So I was like, oh, I have a ring light, but I don't have a stand. So I literally brought out my what is this called, clothing hanger. Oh, don't forget this clothing rack. Oh yeah, and this. So this is the stack to hold this up, because normally I have a longer cord for this that connects my laptop so we could see the viewfinder, but I lost it, so I have this short one that I think was like for charging, I don't know, some portable device. And yeah, that's kind of our setup. So I'm actually glad I didn't take the clothing hanger downstairs. Right? Because I would not want to perfect stuff, but yeah, it looks so good. Like, yeah, it literally, like, if you guys can see that, like, it actually like is perfectly lightened up. So basically I'm trying to like film a similar sort of tasty video, like, you know, the ones you see on Instagram and Facebook. I want to film one of those. So yeah, that's the sitch. This is behind the scenes, guys. Filming videos is hard work, okay?
Yeah, I see it firsthand.
Yeah, man. Thank you, though.
You're welcome. Yo, this better not explode. Damn, cut. You stuffed that.
You'll see, though. It actually doesn't make that much. Guys, it was a success. Okay, the fruit bowl looked way, or the smoothie bowl looked way nicer before we destroyed it. But the shots turned out amazing. I'm really excited for you guys to see this video. We still have 2 more recipes to do. But, did you eat breakfast? Oh, you had a Lara bar.
Oh my god, seeds all over my lips.
No, you're good.
Yeah, this is my breakfast, guys. So
yeah.
The perks of recording, you get to eat
exactly.
it.
You get to. I literally texted her. I'm like, come hungry tomorrow because there's gonna be a lot of food. But yeah, this is a lot of food. I had this whole thing yesterday. And I was so hungry, like I couldn't even finish what I ate in a day. Like, or sorry, I was so full. I was so full I couldn't finish what I ate in a day. So I'm filming it again
fire.
today. Mm-hmm.
Like actual fire, guys. This makes you want to eat healthy. Guys, she's making my favorite thing ever.
Second recipe.
Sweet potato fries.
Guys, look how good these look and they're not even baked yet. Okay, let's put these babies in the oven. Oh, I forgot to do the close-up, huh? Oh, we can do the close-up when it's cooked.
Yeah, it'll look better. You don't want to do close-ups of brunch.
Exactly.
The worst part about cleaning a spaghetti squash is when you're taking out the
insides, the guts.
The guts
so
of it.
slimy. Ew.
She's trying to act all graceful, but she don't like this. This is the least favorite part.
Thankfully, y'all can't see my face in this video.
That's her setup, by the way. So she sees herself there.
Yeah.
I see her here. And you know, it's pretty cool. Like, this is behind the scenes. Now y'all know what it looks like. What the clothing rack is.
Still going strong. Yo, bless that clothing rack.
Right?
Seriously.
Like, it's prop. Yo, we should. This is a nice setup we have here.
It really is.
Looks like natural daylight the entire time.
Exactly. Hey guys, so it is Friday morning. I slept really late. I slept really late last night, so I slept in this morning. Right now it is, I can't believe it's already 11:54. I usually have like so much stuff done by now. My face feels so dry. I have not put on any of my skincare. But I just wanted to quickly pretty much end this vlog because I have to return this camera. If you guys remember, I think it was in 2 vlogs ago, I had to buy this new camera because mine was getting serviced and I didn't want to be without my camera. But it's been 2 weeks already. I still don't have my camera back. I'm gonna call them today, but today's the last day that I have to return this camera, so we gotta do it ASAP before I get charged for this camera. Well, I mean, I was already charged, but you know, I'm returning it. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week of vlogs. I was gonna share some of the PR packages that I got because I haven't even opened, like I've been so busy this week, I haven't gotten the chance to open any of them. Like I literally have PR packages all over my floor. I have one over there. Like it is just, it's a little bit of a mess. I gotta clean this room, get my life back in order. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. If I don't get my camera by this weekend, oh my god. If I don't get my camera by this weekend, I'm just gonna buy another one and then return this, like return it after I get my actual one. And we're just gonna keep doing that until I get my camera, I guess. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys again next week, I guess. Bye everyone.